Okay, so this is Yamaha SZ-RR 2019 model petrol tank. I am emptying and also checking for rust and all those things and cleaning the petrol tap. Okay, so just to begin, I will tell you that this cap I disassembled so that I could see if there is any holes and whether those holes are blocked like in scooter, but I did not find any holes here, venting holes. I'll just remove the key and then just show how it is assembled, because this thing is not there anywhere in the YouTube, but one similar video is there for round cap. Okay, so in case you get into some mess, just for that, see, the springs and all are there. You have to be careful. Screws come with washer. Okay, this kind of gasket is there. I am not seeing any hole here. There is one hole here. I don't know how it works. So these 4 springs are there. When you this pushes this gasket when you close the lid. Okay, so these 4 springs you should not lose. Clean this properly. And this is put like this. Okay, then after that, this plate comes and it is put like this. So there is a small washer also here. Make sure it is not missing. It looks like aluminium washer here, and then other things don't come off so easily. This plastic part o-ring and the center aluminium lock, that does not come out easily. So this is put like this, then this is put. No, I'm sorry, not like this. This thing is put like this. So make sure all the 4 springs are there. Okay, make sure the 4 springs are there, and this spring is different size from this. Okay, this is put like this. You can check after putting also from the sides whether those 4 springs are there. Okay, from here also you can check whether they are there. After that, this washer will come like this. Okay, the center washer you have to keep it there, and this thing is the tricky part. The lock has to be in the position, in this locked position. That means this thing is in, here. When it rotates, it comes here, and this thing is pulled back. So when you're locking the tank, it is pushed here, and that time only you can pull out the key. At least in my bike that happens. So this thing will come here. Okay, it will sit like this, and then this spring is there. That is the tricky part. That spring will sit like this. Okay, and then it will, one end will push against this part, other end will push against this plastic part. Okay, like this. It is basically to provide some tension in that lock, in this latch. Some tension is there when you are operating it like this. When it is sliding like this, it is spring is like pushing it out. one hand it is difficult to do. See, it will be like this. Now while holding this, you install this guy here on top, and these two spring the washers, screw with washers. Okay, so that is the tricky part. See, I left it. Spring you should not lose. Okay, so it is put like this, and then that is pushing against this thing is the information, because it was not on web. Okay, so now another thing, this is like God's gift. It's called an impact wrench, and this is a very good company, Taiwanese company. Bought it from Amazon for some 800 Indian rupees in 2024, I think. If you are stuck with screws and all, if you have very hard to open screws, so that time you require this thing. Otherwise, if you use a lot of force, the screwdriver, you will strip the head of the screw. You can also use for bolt, but it's not that effective. It's for medium torque only, which is there in the screws. Usually company fitted screws which have got rusted or which have got thread lockers and all. Okay, so with this tool, these 4 bits came, and then you can buy other adapters also. This is like extra things I bought. Okay, yeah, these are extra attachment. This came with this one, and with this attachment you can use this kind of heads, this kind of whatever it is called, I don't know the name, mandrel, something like that. So this thing will let you attach where is it, your okay, so this attachment will take this one will fit here. After you remove this attachment will allow you to use this kind of tools, and this kind of entire I think it is 1/4 inch socket set. This is the whole box which comes with some 30 plus sockets, all that you can attach using this kind of attachment, this one and this one. This is also similar purpose, and this one will let you attach all the 1/2 inch sockets. So having this kind of length was essential when removing this screw on this side, because this output is there, this protrusion is there, so that length which I showed you needed to loosen up this screw. This screw you can easily do, but this pipe was blocking this one. Okay, so I needed this kind of attachment. So this one, these 3, and one extra length of these are also there. That kind of attachment you can use. It will definitely help in loosening screws. Otherwise you will strip the screws, you have to drill it, weld it out, and search for replacement. This impact screwdriver will save the screw, as well as also repair slightly the heads of the screw which are slightly stripped. So apply spray paint and this WD-40 lubricant, and then after some minutes use this one. And how to use it, you have to check online. This kind of fiber mallet is enough to use with this. So while this was mounted on the bike, it was not possible to use this one by heating from the down. So I had to remove this tank. This tank had 4-year-old petrol and all, not 4, maybe even 5-year-old. So I had to remove this entire tap assembly, that one, and then drain out the fuel, 4 or 5 years old fuel, because you cannot just drain it out with that tap attachment. You have to remove it by shaking the tank. So this impact tool has come in two places. One is here, cap, one is that tap which I showed you here for removing this tap. Then it came used in the air filter screws. I'm talking about SZ-RR. And then one carburetor drain screw. That was also problematic. So wherever screws are there, this tool is very much essential. Buy a good one. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. So I will see if I could figure out where the hole is there. Because an Activa scooter and all, you have some mechanism for the air to go here, and there is one hole behind this. Here I am not seeing any holes for venting. I don't want the pressure to be built up here. If I am able to find out, I will tell you.